Welcome to our demonstration of online activities for developing enterprise skills in our pharmacology and life science students. I'm Anna Morgan, a senior lecturer in pharmacology and physiology, and I'll be presenting on behalf of our team from Kingston University, London. This past year, we embedded enterprise activities in order to address the gap between what we teach and what employers say they want. For example, research suggests that conventional subject-oriented teaching does not universally include commercial awareness in the context of creativity and innovation. Therefore, by embedding enterprise activities, we were able to link our traditional academic curriculum to the soft skills that employers also value in science graduates. By necessity, owing to COVID-19 restrictions, all of our enterprise activities were conducted online. Rather than being seen as a disadvantage in terms of student engagement, we observed that student attendance at online enterprise workshops was not significantly different from attendance in person at lab practical sessions. Moreover, completion of enterprise-related assessments was comparable to completion of assessments linked to students' lab work. Therefore, this gave us confidence that the online tools we developed for enterprise teaching were successful in promoting student engagement, and we'd like to share our strategy and a sample of our online activities with you. So let's take a look at how our sessions worked. Using Microsoft Teams, we embedded live online teaching sessions where students explored a set of challenges in the form of a project brief and used simple tools to hack these challenges. Each project brief was tailored to the level and module, and they were formulated as challenges needing enterprise solutions. Therefore, each enterprise activity was designed to guide students through an iterative process to explore the challenge, develop a solution, refine their pitch, and present their ideas online. In these sessions, students used breakout links in Microsoft Teams to work together in groups, sharing their ideas in a digital PowerPoint workbook in real time using Microsoft One. This combination of live video and document sharing provided a simple yet effective tool for delivering enterprise hackathon activities online. For example, using Microsoft Teams, students were given a brief on hypodermic needles and guided to explore problems related to sustainability using exercises in a shared digital workbook. Working online using breakout links, student groups added ideas to their workbook's Fishbone tool in real time. The aim of the Fishbone tool was to guide groups to identify an area of focus around which they would develop their enterprise solution. This provided a customizable tool to direct small group teamworking and document sharing, while students discussed their enterprise ideas live on Teams, with staff able to rotate among breakout groups online. In the next online session, groups built on their chosen area of focus. Digital workbook activities in this session centered around developing a problem statement using interrogative prompts. Students in this example explored the sustainability of hypodermic needles in the context of safety, using a who, what, when, why format in their online groups, with the goal of each group being to generate a unique problem statement. Groups were free to populate their ideas in the digital workbooks, mapping to the prompts. The map could then be customized in real time to explore different areas of the prompt. Pages of the workbook could even be duplicated to create multi-layered maps. Staff continued to rotate between online groups during their breakout sessions for support, and all groups came back together in the main Teams link to share their ideas at the end of each synchronous enterprise workshop. In the third online activity, groups were guided to brainstorm enterprise solutions to their specific problem statements and then supported to critique their solutions using the iterative hackathon process. They were encouraged to explore creative and innovative ideas to address their problems, and this represented the final iterations of the problem discovery and solution-generating processes in the enterprise teaching strategy. Groups were then further guided to critique their ideas and develop their commercial awareness. For example, they plotted their solutions as feasibility versus impact and incorporated real-time feedback from academic staff. Whilst many solutions were high in either impact or feasibility, only a few presented a good balance of both. This helped each group to select the solution most likely to be commercially successful. Groups went on to pitch their best ideas to a panel of industry experts and alumni. We were hugely impressed with the enterprise solutions our students generated. Using these simple online strategies to support them in teamworking and creative problem solving to explore real-world challenges. For example, our students generated a range of ideas from using QR codes to track hypodermic needle sales and disposal, to low-cost microneedle replacement schemes, and apps specifically to help children and teens who require frequent injections. Groups then presented their ideas to our judges' panels, who were comprised of alumni and business leaders joining us online from locations around the world. This provided our students with live feedback on their pitches from industry experts and the opportunity to build their professional networks. In addition, groups were encouraged to use this feedback to strengthen their solutions and then to enter their solutions into our Kingston University Bright Ideas competition, where winners can receive individualized startup support to bring their enterprise ideas to life. And all students were encouraged to reflect on how enterprise skills such as innovation and creativity can help them succeed in graduate employability. The success of online delivery using enterprise double diamond strategies, combined with video conferencing and real-time document sharing, was reflected in our students' feedback. And the response to online enterprise activities was overwhelmingly positive. Students acknowledged that the sessions stretched them beyond their comfort zones, but also supported their learning in a way that would not be covered in a standard lecture. So even as we gradually return to in-person teaching, the enterprise sessions will continue to be delivered as online workshops, supporting students to develop their digital skills, as well as problem solving and commercial awareness in a shared online environment. Through this, we hope to foster transferable skills such as creativity and commercial awareness that will help our pharmacology and life science graduates to succeed in whatever career path they choose. Embedding online enterprise teaching using shared digital platforms has been an amazing cross-departmental collaboration at Kingston University. And I'd like to thank all members of our team who made this possible: Mike, Fran, Nigel, Amanda, Dwayne, and Martha. Developing and delivering these activities has been the highlight of our academic year. And on behalf of our team, I'm so pleased to have been given the opportunity to demonstrate a sample of our activities for you. Thank you for your time. We welcome your questions and look forward to seeing you online.